God hath not promised skies always blue, flower-strewn pathways all our lives through. God hath not promised sun without rain, joy without sorrow, peace without pain. But God hath promised strength for the day, rest for the labor, light for the way, grace for the trials, help from above, unfailing sympathy, undying love. God Hath Not Promised by Annie Johnson Flint. When the dark clouds are covering your once bright blue sky, when the raindrops are falling and you just don't know why, find joy in the promise that God is still there. He's as close as your heartbeat, as close as your prayer. Rainy Day Promise by Carolyn Marshall. The clouds have big news. It's time for things to grow. Their whispers fill the sky with wind. Their low murmurs rumble like thunder, and they pour out a welcome to spring.